Alright, what is going on, guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are as well, because today's temperatures are 90 degrees with zero wind. So we are overheating, and I can only imagine what the garage would feel like if it was 100. So we're gonna be preparing the garage for these summer temps, and we're gonna get some AC in there. Currently, I have no AC in the window. I don't have any AC ducts in the garage. So we're gonna do the next best thing, and let's head on over to the garage and let's run this. All right, so we just got into the garage, and right now currently in here, it's about 61 degrees. It's so beautiful. It's a little bit cooler than my bedroom. I'm a little bit jealous of down here, but the second somebody pulls into the garage, like my brother, my mom, or if I'm just pulling the cars in or out, this garage, second the doors open, loses all of its AC, we'll call it, and that's no good. So I definitely want to pop a quick little AC unit into the window. This thing is going to be very efficient. It's not rated for a room this size, but if I turn it on at night and I come out, as long as I cool down everything in the area, it'll be harder for the hot air coming in to heat up this room, this garage we'll call it, my little workspace. So first thing I want to do with my day is go ahead and open this window and pop that in there and at least get that started. I got to move these boxes though. As you guys can see, I have some big boxes in the background. Basically I can't throw these onto the car until we wrap it, and we're still waiting on the vinyl to even come in because I'm a slacker and haven't ordered my vinyl yet. I know, it stinks. Throw it down in the comments, say, Alex, quit slacking. And let's move these boxes and get this AC unit in the window. All right, so before we go ahead and throw this AC unit into the window, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up this whole area to get all the dead bugs and debris and dust and, you know, all the garage type stuff. But guys, if you already liked the video, please throw the video a like. And if you guys aren't subscribed and you're watching the video right now, make sure you're subscribed and you put on a post notification bell. I got some fun videos planned coming up very soon. And I'm not sure if tomorrow's gonna be a definite, but I got some cool stuff planned with a friend tomorrow. So fingers crossed, and yeah. Let's throw us in. Excuse me, sir, can you just place yourself in that window so I don't have to exert any more energy than I currently have by lifting that window and moving those boxes, please? Hello, are you sleeping? I don't think he's listening. Looks like we're gonna have to move him with force. I'm walking the dog, I'm walking the dog. All right, all jokes aside, I would keep pulling on it and I would just throw it into the window. We don't wanna break this before we even get it into the window, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this thing up. It's like a whole 10 pounds. Dude, I don't want any issues. Just come on. Come on. Oh my God. You gotta stop eating so many fucking snacks late at night. Gosh, come on. Start eating popcorn. Stop eating junk food. Popcorn won't. You're not listening. I'm giving you one last chance. Oh. Oh, I probably shouldn't put that on my car, should I? I haven't announced the wrap color yet, but comment down below what color you guys think that the wrap is going to be. I'm super excited for it. I've got the color all figured out by now, and we can scratch that all we want. So throw it down in the comments if you guys want to see me scratch that wrap before I take it off. Beautiful. Got my intercooler piping right here from the TDI. Don't fall out the window. Done. That's how you do it. No, let's do it the correct way. Perfect. I got that thing all installed really nicely. Like no gaps, no nothing. Like, I mean, it's really sealed up, honestly, so I think it's good. Let's plug it in. All right, all dad jokes aside about how horribly sealed up this window is with this AC unit, I mean, even when I did my best, like it's still from the factory, got all these, but I think I failed to mention that this was given to me by a friend about 5 years ago, and I only used it for like one summer, and then I just neglected it. So this thing's been catching dust and stuff, but I can confirm that it works, because the last summer I had it hooked up was last summer, and it was cranking great. So I'm just gonna say that's good. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think it's good. I mean, that thing doesn't really add any good looks to the garage, but I mean, those do. All right, guys, I'm not gonna wire this up 100% because my garage actually has really bad outlets. It only has outlets in the ceiling. Like my garage is a hack. I don't know. The previous owners, they really did me dirty. But we got this extension cord plugged in all the way through there and over Mama K's X1 and into the ceiling. Ooh, green light, green light. And this thing only works on high. So max out the fan and give her a minute. She's gonna start cooling down, and this garage is gonna be in the 50s. Ooh. I let her sit for 5 minutes. I am freezing standing in front of that. Right here, I'm in the 60s again. Right there, coming out of there, probably in the 20s. It is like the Arctic polar blast. And so let's head on to the next step. ECS Tuning sent me a big banner. You guys chose, I believe I called it option number 2. So we're gonna be putting ECS Tuning banner right there. If you guys need any European car parts, definitely hit the link down in the description. That is my link for ECS. Every purchase helps you guys out to mod your cars, and it helps me out to mod my cars for the channel. So let's put that up there. So I went upstairs for like 3 minutes looking for these hook things that you can remove off the wall. I was gonna put screws, but I was like, in case I wanna change up the position of it, we'll just use these. And I step back out in the garage and I feel that cold air. If you guys don't have a window AC unit in your garage and it gets hot, I definitely recommend it. I'll be honest with you, I think my friend may have gotten this one out of like a garbage can or like his neighbor's throwing out or something. So one man's trash is another man's treasure, trash, treasure, whatever. Here we go. Today's video like goal is 500 likes, so if you guys can help me out and reach that goal, that would be absolutely amazing. I really appreciate you guys. And today's hashtag is #turbo. You know, the hashtag really helps out as well. It helps us reach out to more people that like turbos as much as me and you guys. So today's hashtag is #turbo. Let's hit that 500 like goal and let's get back to the video. Wanted to give you guys one last look at this wall before we put up this huge, huge poster. Flag sign, I don't exactly know what it's called, but it's a vinyl cutout that says ECS, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. But I also want to give a huge shout out to my boy, Everett Gillis. His Instagram is Twiggy223, and as you guys can see on the screen, he commented about how he really enjoys my channel because of the positivity and stuff. If you guys are not aware, if you're a new subscriber, or if you missed the last few videos, one of the new things that I'm doing is if you guys comment down below the reasons that you enjoy the channel, why you keep coming back. If it really hits me to heart, if I really see that you guys put some effort into it, I give you a shout out. So shout out to Twiggy. That's his Instagram, right? Twiggy, I like that one. So if you guys are interested in getting an Instagram shout out, comment down below why you come back each day to my channel. And I read every single comment. I truly do. I take all of it in. And leave any video suggestions down below, guys, because, you know, this whole quarantine thing doesn't really allow me to do all things that I was really planning for the summer, like car shows and stuff like that. So any video ideas you guys have about the cars, definitely leave them down below. And let's throw this sign up. So these things are pretty awesome. I'm kind of excited to use these. I've never used these before, but I don't know how this is supposed to hold up that and all that, but I guess these are really sticky. Hopefully you guys can see me pretty well. I'm gonna crouch down. You're on top of the tilted TDI right now, and it's just the perfect space. So I'm just gonna pull the backing strip off of this. I'm doing it wrong, but I think I'm doing it right. So I think the concept is once this is on the back, you can pull this down. I'm pretty sure I put it on backwards already. The whole tab's supposed to be sticking out the bottom, but listen, I'm no professional, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other one, and we're gonna throw this up on the wall. I just wiped off so much soot off the tilted TDI with my shirt. It's the way it goes, boys. If you drive a diesel with a hood exit, it's the way it goes. ECS sent us this thing, and it is awesome. I really love repping their whole brand. James and all them over there, they're all awesome. If you guys didn't see the latest online car show that I did with ECS, definitely go to ECS's Instagram and check that out. It's really awesome. We did a 2-hour live feed online car show. It was awesome, and thanks to James for inviting me out to that. No going back now. If the height's off, if it's on an angle, it's all on me, every bit of it. I like that you guys can see my mistakes, I really do. Showed you that, you know, these aren't gonna stick on the wall, I guess. There's a lot of soot on the wall. That is looking awesome. If you guys are watching the vlogs, make sure to throw it up on your Instagram story, tag me in it, and I will tag you in my story. I will share your story, and I think that's really cool for us to interact together, get some Instagram sharing going on, and let's get back to the vlog. Ooh, would you look at that? Like I said, guys, down in the description is my ECS link. It really helps out the channel. And if there is any car parts you guys have been slacking on, you're like, oh, I kind of want, but I don't know if I should get it. You should probably get it. That's like me all the time. I'm always procrastinating on parts. And everyone reminds me, hey, Alex, you need to get more parts. You need to throw them on the car. And that's what I do. But this is looking absolutely awesome. And man, look at that. That is so sick. I'm excited. Leave it down in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys think that is awesome? And it's 95 degrees outside, so I think we should go hop in the TT and start her up, drive her up and down the road. I really wish I could start dailying that car. My state has changed it from July 1st, which was today. Today's July 1st, so happy July. And stay safe on 4th of July, guys. But I believe on July 13th, the DMV is supposed to open back up, but it's supposed to open back up every month at a certain date, and it never does. So we might just have to start riding dirty and just insure the thing and just start mobbing down the road. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think that's what I should do, and I might have to do it for the content. Hopefully you guys can see it in the background. I am like overly ecstatic with seeing that. I need more, I really do. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think I need more banners. And I just turned off the AC because we're gonna be opening the garage to get out there. We're gonna leave the garage door open. But if you guys haven't noticed, that is diesel soot from this car. I started driving it in, but I used to back it in. And when I used to start the car, the diesel soot got all over the garage. So let's grab a TT key. Beautiful. Now let's go and uncover this freaking hood exit, man. Oh, and if you guys weren't aware, I got this pet squirrel named Thomas. Thomas is like a 4 or 5 years old New Jersey gray squirrel. One of my best friends. Doesn't trust me enough to actually like go on my shoulder and eat yet, but he'll eat food out of my hand, and I try to get on video, but he's a little skittish sometimes, especially with the camera. So this car was down for a while, that's why I wasn't driving it. But if you guys missed the video where I put the new serpentine belt in and the tensioner, that is why ECS sent us that banner and a few other goodies, stickers and stuff like that. And they sent me a whole care package when I ordered a few of these things. So now the TT is able to drive. I put on this heat shield in yesterday's video. Definitely check that out. That link will be in the description as well. And this car has been just doing me really well lately, and I am so excited for this new suspension to come in. Definitely stay on your tippy toes for that. Suspension is ordered for this. This car is already static, but it's gonna be crazy static, so stay excited. Let's start this thing up. Let's give it a rip. Going from that AC to this thing is gonna be brutal. I'll let this car air out for a good 30 seconds. If you guys know the feeling of getting into a hot car, definitely comment down below. I know some of you guys are from like Texas, Arizona, some of those crazy states where it's always hot, but then it's always cold at night. I feel bad for you guys. It's like 95 in New Jersey right now, so it's definitely not fun. And that shift knob is metal. Comment down below if you guys have burnt your hands on your shift knob. I know I always say comment down below, but there's so many things to comment down below and interact with you guys, so I'm gonna let that air out for a minute. We're gonna drop the top, we're gonna give her it. Come on, baby. Starts off beautifully every time. I'll tell you guys what, there's nothing like dropping the top when it is super hot outside. Now I'm out here in the elements. When I drop these windows and I go for a cruise, that window dropped, this one didn't. I don't know, this car's a little funny, but go for a little cruise, arm out the window. I'm so excited to start ripping a convertible. I definitely need some seats in this car though, some bucket seats. Definitely throw down in the comments what kind of bucket seats you guys think I should do. So many options. Name some companies as well that I should work with or that should hit me up. All right, let's rip this thing. Yesterday's video was so fun. Or 2 days ago video was so fun. My buddy Patrick came over with his Mark II TT. I let him drive this thing, two-step it. It was really a good experience, and it makes me feel good seeing other people drive my cars. And it's something I've never really I never really wanted to do, but I guess I don't feel so attached to this car, so maybe that's why. But seeing my buddy smile and in my Mark I TT, even though he has a VR6 Mark II TT that I drove, so if you want to check that video out, link will be in the description. But man, felt good doing car things with car people, so I'm gonna let this car warm up and we're gonna give it a rip. All right, the car's up to temp, but I also wanted to tell you guys, if you wanna be my cameraman and you live in North Jersey, or you live in my area and you might be a cool person and you think yourself, maybe you can handle the camera, I definitely think it'd be cool to get a cameraman. And you get paid in ice cream and Instagram shout outs and a shout out every time in the video. So comment down below if you would be interested in maybe being my personal cameraman once in a while or every day. I don't know, I want to start doing daily vlogs and it's hard to be the cameraman and get all those third person shots. So I think that'd be pretty cool. And let's rip it down the driveway. pray the dogma mount doesn't rub. Oh. Thankfully the TT's the size of a Miata because that's a small spot and I don't even have to move the Mark 6 to get it out of there. So precision is key. 2 maneuvers, back her all the way up, and then she's mint. I cannot wait to get POV shots of driving this car. Also guys, if you guys want to see back roads driving with a POV camera, definitely let me know down in the comments. That's something I'm really interested in doing, and I actually go for back road drives every single day, about 10 to 30 miles. They vary every single day, and there's so many cool back roads. So if that's some kind of driving you guys want to see, even if it's in the Mark 6 for now, definitely leave it down below, and I will figure the POV stuff out. And if anyone is selling a GoPro, please throw it down in the comments. I need a GoPro, but you know, your boy is on a budget. The ad rev is non-existent. It really is. YouTube is not as glamorous as you think, but it's super fun, and I do it for you guys, and I love it so much. So I'm gonna back this thing in, and we'll two-step it. Just like that, weasel it into its spot. We've even got it on the edge of the curb. I've got a little block I got a little like cinder block back there, so I tap it, the car stops beautifully. And it's real sad, but the shift boot's ripped on this car. I'm gonna shed some tears, but first I'm gonna pull the e-brake so we don't roll away. I'm gonna shut her off. Such a glorious drive. If you guys have TTs, you know how much fun these things are, even Miatas. I mean, seriously. I've never had a convertible before. My mom always had a Z4 when I was a kid. Shouldn't say always, but she had one. And convertibles are freaking awesome. It's such a good feeling. And there's other convertibles out there, but I'm saying like small body cars. But same feeling. This thing gives me a great feeling. Oh, my chest. My freaking chest hurts and my head hurts. Those two steps are violent, freaking violent. But this garage, I literally walk into and I feel the cold air just pouring out of it. So I'm gonna close the door. This thing looks freaking awesome. That AC's got me hyped. Today's a good day. Oh, today's a good day. Guys, this is gonna be a wrap on today's video. Thank you to ECS for sending us the banner. Hope you guys are excited about that AC unit. It's really gonna help me and improve on my content for these summer months when it starts to get really hot out. If you guys work outside, definitely stay hydrated and keep your morale high. So I really enjoyed making this content for you guys. Come back for more. Subscribe, hit your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content because we're gonna be doing that 20,000 subscriber giveaway. And guys, keep doing you. You're special, your car is special. Don't let anyone's opinion make you change your car. Just do what you want to do to it, and that's all that matters. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the channel and come back for more. So tomorrow is a good day for me, and it's gonna be good content for you guys as long as everything works out. So cross your fingers. Hope that tomorrow works out, and we're gonna do some fun stuff. So peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.